Viewers and subscribers, welcome to the Voice of the Caribbean. Why some Jamaican people go on like money and fall like rain in America? You have to work for everything over here. Not just Jamaica, but also in the Caribbean diaspora and the African diaspora. Always crying them broke. Send me this, send me that. I have to enlighten you. People in America broke sometime too. Not just in Jamaica, the Caribbean diaspora or the African diaspora. People in America broke a lot of time, even more so because of their bills. The high cost of living in America. Every week or every 2 weeks, you get another bill. Every week or 2 weeks, you have another bill for pay. It is not easy in America. You have bills to pay. It's harder overseas. You have light to pay, water to pay, mortgage payment, rent payment, food, just to name a few. It's harder in America because you have to buy everything in this country. You can't expect when you want something. You must just call your family member in America, Canada, UK or wherever they are and get it. They have their bills to pay too. So what they must do, forget about their bills just to send you money. It does not work that way. They have their bills in the foreign country to pay also. They have to pay rent, mortgage, light, water, buy food, just to name a few things. People who live in the country, in the Caribbean, you can plant your own food. You can grow your own food, your own fresh food. We have to buy everything over here. And it's not as fresh as when you grow your own food in the Caribbean. You can plant your own callaloo, your own ackee, your own breadfruit tree, cabbage, carrots, peppers. All of those you can plant them, okra, and get your fresh food. We have to buy it fresh sometime. We get it fresh sometime. But a lot of the things that we buy in a can. Ackee, you buy it in a can. And God bless when I can many times. You get different fruits in every season in Jamaica. Whether it's mango, breadfruit, jackfruit. Every season in Jamaica, you have a different fruit. And many of you have it on your property. And you don't have to pay for it. It is free. Whether you live in America, Canada, the UK, just to name a few, you have to buy everything. If you want a pepper, you have to buy it. Nothing is free in the foreign country. You have to buy everything. You guys can plant it and reap it. But we have to buy everything. Plus pay our bills. You're always begging for things. And when people send it and give you, not talk about this little money. This little money, what this? People make sacrifice to send this little money. Come go now. I don't complain about what is. Ungrateful. Not appreciating what they send and give you as if they had to give you. They didn't have to give you because they have their own responsibilities. Be thankful that they even think to send it and send it come give you all. Stop being ungrateful. You all acting like money a fall off a tree in America. No money now fall off a tree in America. You have to work for what you want. You have to work over here for what you want. Me never see no money a fall off a tree in America. But you all acting as if money falling off tree. A fall off of the tree in America, Canada, UK. None now fall off a tree. A hard worker do it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Voice of the Caribbean. Money don't grow on trees in these foreign countries. You have to work for it. Sometimes you have to work 2 and 3 jobs just to make ends meet. It is not easy over here. If one day you get up and say, Lord, me feel for little ackee and saltfish, or me feel for some steamed callaloo and dumpling with green banana, you can't go in your yard, go cut a hand of banana. You have to go to the West Indian grocery store and buy that ackee and saltfish. Buy that banana and whatever provision you want to buy to cook that day or that night. You have to go to the West Indian grocery store and buy that callaloo. Anything you want, you have to go to the store and buy it. You can't go in your yard like some of you and go pick some callaloo or go on the tree, go pick some ackee. You have to buy it. You have to work hard in America. Money now fall off a tree in America. Money now rain off a tree in America. It's not falling like rain in America. You got to work for your money in America, Canada, or the UK. You have to work and work very hard. When last any of you who are get the money from foreign send anything to America, Canada, UK to your family member? When last have you considered that you can send up a roast breadfruit, some ackee, some fried fish, something for your family member in these countries that always send you them money? You always a take, always a receive, and you're not giving back anything. You can send something from Jamaica or another Caribbean island or the African diaspora for your family member in these countries. They would appreciate it. You're always asking them for things, and not considering that you can send something for them in these countries. You're just thinking about yourself. Gimme, 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 gimme. You could send up something for them also. And some of you Jamaicans, the Caribbean people, you have more than who you beg. A lot of you who begging money have more than who is in America, Canada, and UK. You don't want to spend it. You don't want to admit it that you have more than them. But a lot of time, you have more than them. And you're still begging them. And that's not right. Money now fall like rain over here. The next time you think about asking your family member in America to send you money, Think about sending them something from Jamaica, like a roast breadfruit, some ackee, some callaloo, just to name a few. Think about sending them something. We would appreciate it when you send us something. Viewers and subscribers, tell us in the comments section what you think about people who always are going like money or fall like rain in America. Some people who acting as if money falling like rain in America, Canada, or the UK. Leave your comments in the comment section. Money not falling like rain in America. You have all the fresh fruits you can think about in Jamaica, the Caribbean diaspora, the African diaspora. You have all of the fresh fruits you can think about. The mangoes, the bananas, plantains, tomatoes, cabbage, all of which you can grow. A lot of us in the foreign countries, we don't have that opportunity. And a lot of you, especially in the country areas, you can grow your own food, your own fresh food. And it's free. We have to pay for everything. Nothing is free over here. So next time you want to ask your family member or your friend or friends in these countries for money, think about the bills they have to pay. And I'm not saying they're not supposed to help you. They can help you if they have it. But a lot of people in America don't have it. You have it better than them. Money not falling like rain in America. Next time you consider asking your family member or friends over here for money, consider sending them something. They would appreciate it. And when your family members send you something or your friend, appreciate it. Don't come talk about this little money. This little money did not come just like that. It did not fall off the tree. They had to work hard for it. We have to work hard for it. And it's not easy. And after you're done, pay the light, the water, the phone, mortgage, rent, whichever one you're paying, you still have to buy food. If you don't mind shop, you can't buy no food. So be appreciative of what they send and give you. Now come talk about little money. Them work hard for them money. It not come easy. So stop talking about little money you send. I don't know, consider for send nothing in a foreign for them because I don't think them have everything. I don't think them have everything easy over here. Over here is no better roads. I don't have it easier in Jamaica and a lot of the Caribbean diaspora. A lot of time you are living a better life. You get fresh air, fresh food. Consider sending something for your family member in America, Canada, or the UK. Send something for your family member or your friend instead of always taking, and not giving back anything. I leave you with this saying: it is better to give than to receive. Better to give than to receive. Walk good. See you next time on the Voice of the Caribbean.